Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup with seaweed. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of dashi stock, 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite miso paste, and 1/4 cup of dried wakame seaweed. Also, prepare a 4-ounce block of soft tofu, cut into 1/2-inch cubes, and some thinly sliced green onions for garnish. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. The heart of great miso soup is a flavorful dashi broth. If making from scratch, gently simmer a 4-inch piece of kombu in 4 cups of water for 10 minutes, then remove. Add 1/2 cup of katsuobushi, or bonito flakes, bring to a simmer, and immediately turn off the heat. Let it steep for 2 minutes, then strain the broth, discarding the solids. This ensures a clear, delicate dashi. Now, let's bring it all together. Rehydrate your dried wakame seaweed in a small bowl of warm water for 5 minutes, then drain and gently squeeze out excess liquid. In a separate small bowl, take a ladleful of warm dashi and dissolve your 2 to 3 tablespoons of miso paste completely. This prevents clumping. Gently heat the remaining dashi in a pot, then add your 1/2-inch tofu cubes and the rehydrated wakame. The final step is crucial for preserving the miso's delicate flavor. Just before serving, remove the pot from the heat and gently stir in the dissolved miso paste. It's very important not to boil the soup after adding the miso, as this can diminish its beneficial properties and taste. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish generously with your thinly sliced green onions. Enjoy your delicious, homemade miso soup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.